Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Obenreiter.
And Miss Ackerman.
And we are back today with a math lesson for you. And what we are going to be doing is we are going to show you how you can write numbers in different ways. So in the packet, remember we said we were going to work through the packet together. In the packet, you received a stapled packet with the numbers 1 all the way to 10. And today we are only going to go over 3 of our numbers, and then you can work on the other numbers later. So you're going to open your packet up, and we are going to be looking at the one that says 2, T-W-O, and that is the word 2. So Miss Ackerman is going to be drawing and filling in our flower for us as we go. So she is going to start at the top, and she is going to practice making a number 2 under the word write. W-R-I-T-E. Watch how she does it.
Oh, can you do your saying?
Oh, yeah. So we're going to draw it. We're actually going to go up and over like a rainbow, down and across. And that's our number 2. And then we're going to look at, Miss Ackerman has something on there, and it looks a little bit different. It's a big rectangle, and it is broken up into little squares. Count how many squares are there, boys and girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Watch the video. Remember I put your pictures in the 10 frame? That's what that's called, the 10 frame.
All right. So you have that on your flower. It's already in there for you. So let's show what the number 2 looks like. All right, Miss Ackerman.
How many dots am I going to make, boys and girls? Am I going to make 3? Nope, our number is 2, so I'm going to go 1, 2. That's all I'm going to do. That's it.
And you notice she started at the top and she went left to right. All right, and then our next flower petal is the one that's at the bottom here. That word is draw. So what we are going to draw is we are going to draw flowers. How many flowers? What number is it? 2. You are going to draw 2 flowers. Try your best. All right, so now we've practiced making the number 2. We've practiced in the 10 frame, showing it as a number 2, and now we drew 2 flowers. So our next one is our tally. We are going to make tally marks. And remember, tally marks are straight lines down. So how many tally marks are we going to make? 2. Let's count them. 1, 2. And that's it. That shows 2 tally marks. And then finally, now we're going to practice our printing skills. And do we see in the middle how our number word is 2? You're going to practice that under the word 2. All right, let's spell it together. T-W-O. So simple. So boys and girls, what we did was we filled in our number 2 flower. So now Miss Ackerman is going to erase hers, and while she's erasing that, we're going to flip to our next one. And we're going to flip one page, and we're going to turn it over so you can see the word 5. F-I-V-E. That is the number word for 5. Great job. And we're going to do the same thing like we did before. So we are going to practice writing the number 5.
I'm going to first, let me start over.
Oh, that's all right. She's just going to practice writing it again. It was a little bit, she wanted to make sure you could really see the color and make sure it stands out. So you just get ready with everything. So, and you can notice yours is able to be filled in so you can color it. And that's what Miss Ackerman was kind of showing us. She wanted to make sure you could see the color. So we're going to start up with the right, and we're going to make that 5. And we're going to, oh, she's getting it. We're going to dive down, swim around, and go back to the ground. And now we made the number 5. So easy now because we've practiced our numbers so many times.
Mrs. Ackerman's markers are struggling.
All right. So yes, she went and remember it's towards our end of the year. So our markers are drying out a little bit. We know that from the classroom. And then we're going to fill in our 10 frame. We're going to look at that 10 frame and we have to fill in how many? 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what did you notice when she did all 5 of them? They're all on the top or the bottom? Yes, they're all across the top. All right, now she's going to move down to draw. And we are going to draw 5 hearts. Here we go. She's going to get a different color marker.
I'm going to get a, oh, I don't have, okay.
She's going to get a different color marker and she's going to make 5 hearts. Let's count them as we draw them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job, boys and girls. And now this is where it's going to get a little tricky because we're going to show you how to do the tally mark for 5. So watch how tricky it gets. Watch what she does. She is going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then watch what she does for number 5. She is going to,
I'm going to shut the door because you go 1, 2, 3, 4, shut the door and go right across all 4 of them. And that gives you 5 lines.
so you need to make sure when you're counting it, you count that one where she shut the door. You have to count that as number 5. And then finally, our last one that we're going to fill in is our word. And we have that word right in the middle. Let's spell that word together. F-I-V-E. Great job, boys and girls. So that filled in our number 5. And now, as Miss Ackerman goes ahead and erases the board, I'm going to flip my page again. And then I'm going to flip it one more time. And we're going to look at the back. And we're going to look at the number 8. E-I-G-H-T. That is the number word for 8. So we're going to look at that and help you out with filling in our number 8 flower. But remember, boys and girls, we have all the numbers from 1 to 10. So we're only doing 3 examples with you so you can work with someone at home to help you out filling in the rest of the flowers and then taking your time to color them in. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to start with the number 8. And we are going to write that number. So when you make an 8, you're going to make like the letter S. You're going to make a letter S and you're going to circle around and then close it up right across and you made a number 8. Some of you may also make an 8 a little different and some of you may make it just look like the snowman and you put one circle and then a circle on the bottom, and that's also the number 8. All right, now for the 10 frame. Your 10 frame is going to be a little bit different because we have to use the top and the bottom. All right, let's count and fill it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then she's got to go all the way back to the left again and go 6, 7, 8. Remember, we always read from left to right. All right, now we're moving down to the drawing part. And Miss Ackerman is going to draw 8 circles. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She made 8 circles. She didn't make any more. All right, so now I'm gonna let her count through the tally marks with you, and we're gonna make 8 tally marks. Here she goes.
Here we go. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shuts the door. Are we to 8 yet? No. So we have the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shuts the door. 6, 7, 8. That is 8 tally marks.
And did you notice when Miss Ackerman did that, she skipped a little bit of a space so you could see her different ones that she was making. And then finally is our last one. Now, the flower petal isn't huge, and we have to write 5 letters. So make sure you print small. We're going to write the word 8. E, I, G, H, T. All right. Great job, boys and girls. And that was so much fun today. Don't forget, fill in the rest of them. Try your very best.
And write your name at the top of each page because it's great practice.
It is. And some of you are even getting to the point where you can do last name too. Boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. We'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.